it out. You have to have a passion for what you do. We all have that passion, and he's got to follow that dream.
Yeah, indeed. And you know what? Tomorrow may be a decent day for fishing, right? Across the tri-state in the 60s, partly cloudy skies, because certainly Sunday and Monday won't be, okay? So we're drying out for a nice start to the weekend, but I'm tracking about a 48-hour window of a blast of cold for us. Tonight, there's a cold front bearing down on the tri-state. This is what's responsible, or has been responsible, for the rain and the early day thunder we even had out there. But this is almost through the area, and in a sense, it's shutting off any rain chances. Most of us are already dry, but if you're south of the Ohio River here, you can see in parts of Campbell, Kenton counties, there are some still leftover light showers. So if you're south of the Ohio River, I can't rule out the chance for a shower maybe lingering for the next hour or so. But as we've been checking in with Charlie up here in Middletown, you're north of the river, you are dry the rest of this evening. And even to the south here, these are light showers and shouldn't last terribly long. It's mild out there, and it's going to stay mild this evening. Most of us are just short of 60 now, ranging from 57 in Springboro to actually 60 in Warsaw and Vevey. So bringing it back downtown, we're dry, 59 at the airport. We're waiting that cool front to come through. So our winds will stay out of the south-southwest through the evening. That keeps us mild and dry. So it actually looks like a pretty nice Friday night out there, although I know a lot of the day didn't look so pleasant. So for the next hour or so, maybe a stray shower lingering south of the Ohio River, southeast of Cincinnati. Otherwise, skies will clear up tonight. There could be a little patchy fog east of Cincinnati, but the theme is for drier air to be moving in, so I think we'll get rid of that towards morning. And a beautiful Saturday for doing outdoor fall activities. Into your Saturday evening looks great. Great weather, mild for soccer at TQL Stadium, FC Cincinnati. The next chance for rain won't get in here until very late Saturday night, really Sunday morning, because it's after midnight with a band of showers. This is part of the Arctic cold front coming through. Now, the forecast gets interesting into Sunday. I think we'll have some sprinkles and showers left over Sunday that eventually transition to some flurries. But I don't have a lot of weather action during the day on Sunday, aside from crashing temperatures and the winds, which will be howling, bringing in cold air. Overnight Sunday into early Monday morning, I do think there will be a window in which snow may fall a little steadier, enough so that we actually end up with some light accumulations out there. So this is about a 48-hour window of cold coming, as showers go over to flurries by afternoon, and then it's kind of quiet, maybe a few flakes Sunday night. But really, it's early on Monday, I think, when we could see that period of steadier snow, and that will have impacts with wind chills in the teens on Monday morning. And yes, some elevated grassy accumulations. And if someone manages to overachieve, right now I think most of us are in a dusting to a coating, but I wouldn't rule out on the lower end the chance for someone to get a little bit more. And if that happens, you might even have to watch some of the bridges out there too. So cool tonight, 41 for an overnight low as we eventually do clear up. 62 tomorrow. Should be, again, a beautiful Saturday. Enjoy, because 24 hours from that, it will be cold. The winds will be whipping. Sunday won't be anything like tomorrow. Here's your 7-day forecast. Although we'll start at 52, we'll fall into the 30s by Sunday afternoon. Look at Monday. It is also a weather impact day. We will probably struggle to get back above freezing Monday morning. Look at that. Temperatures in the 20s. There will likely be snow flying for some of us. Wind chills in the teens out there. Just a really frigid day, Mike and Cherie. It will feel more like the middle or end of January. The good news is that, again, this isn't a pattern. It's just a quick hit of cold, kind of a grazing shot, if you will, because we're back up to 60 by Wednesday.
Sunday fun day to stay inside, watch some football or a movie.